Hello, are you ready for another number video? Last time I gave you this question. Let's read what this question says. It says 1 add 1 add 1 equals. What's 1 add 1 add 1? We can do it with cubes. 1 add 1 add 1 equals what? How many cubes do I have? I have 3. 1 add 1 add 1 is 3. 1 add 1 add 1 equals 3. This video is going to be all about the number 3. Let's have another look at number 3. This is number 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? This is 3 fingers. This is 3 fingers as well. You could even make 3 with fingers from both hands. You could do 1 on this side and 2 on this side. That's 3. Or you could do 1 on this side and 2 on this side. That's 3. You could do 0 on this side and 3 on this side. That's 3. Or you could do 0 on this side and 3 on this side. That's 3. This video is about the number 3. Can you go into your house or flat and find 3 things which are the same? I can see 3 things in my flat which are the same right here. Can you see 3 things which are the same in my flat? That's right. I have 3 flowers in that pot. I've also found 3 cubes. Now it's time to work out if 3 is an odd number or an even number. Which type of numbers can be shared equally in half? Even numbers can be shared equally in half. Odd numbers can't be shared equally in half. Let's try to share 3. I can have 1 on this side and 2 on this side, or I can have 2 on this side and 1 on this side. But I can't share 3 equally in half because I don't have the same amount in each hand. 3 can't be shared equally in half. That means that 3 is an odd number. Odd numbers can't be shared in half. So 3 is an odd number. Let's have a look at 3 on the 10 frame. Here's 3 on the 10 frame. Remember, a 10 frame is just 10 empty boxes. And now I've put 3 cubes on my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes are on my 10 frame. How many more would I need to make 10? How many more would I need to make 10? Can you work that out? Like I said before, we're going to have another video all about making 10 in a little while. Now let's find 3 on the number line. Where's number 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. There's number 3. Can you find any other 3s on my number line that make up bigger numbers? Have a look. Now it's time for us to practice writing 3. We're going to write it in the air. Start at the top and you go around and in and around and in again. Let's do that again. Start at the top, around and in, around and in. 3. You can practice writing your numbers with the game where you write them on somebody's back with your finger. You could also trace the numbers on the floor or a table, also with your finger. You could write them on a piece of paper. Or if you're able to get outside and you've got some water and a paintbrush, you could paint your numbers with water on the ground outside or even on the wall if your adults say it's okay. Now we're going to practice writing 3 with our pen on our whiteboard or our piece of paper. Let's write 3 together. Remember, when we write, we always start at the top left. Let's write 3. Start at the top, go around and in, around and in. 3. Let's do another one. Start at the top, go around and in, around and in. Now, if you'd like a challenge, you can try and work out the answer to this number sentence. This says 3 add 3 equals. If I'm adding two of the same number, like 3 add 3, what's that called? See if you can find out. I'm not going to tell you the answer to that one, but see if you can work it out with objects around your house or a number line. When we get to that number, I'll go back to this question and we'll see if you were right. I have one more challenge for you, and that will tell us which number we're going to learn about next. There we go. Here's a challenge. What does it say? It says 0 add 3 add 1 equals. What is 0 add 3 add 1? I'll give you a clue. It has the same answer as this question. Made a little mistake, but that's okay. I'm going to try again. There we go. 0 add 3 add 1 equals has the same answer as 2 add 2 equals. And that's another number where you're adding two of the same. 2 add 2. What's that called? I will tell you next time. All right, work out the answers to those questions and you'll know which number comes next. Just before we go, let's practice writing our numbers as words. We've learnt 0, 1 and 2. Can you write those words now? 0, 1, 2. I'll write them now as well. I'm going to start at the top left and I'm going to write 0, 1, 2. And the next number that we've been learning about is 3. 3 is a great number to write as a word because you can use your sounds. See if you can use your sounds to write 3. Pause the video if you need to, and now I'm going to write it with you. 3 has 3 sounds in them, but 2 of them are digraphs. What sounds are in 3? Let's segment that word together. 3. E. 3. E. Let's write that word now. E. And there we go. 3. The letter names of all of the letters in that word are T, H, R, E, E. And the sounds are E. With 3, you can use your sounds to write the word, but it's good if you remember how to write it as well. T-H-R-E-E. Great job! Keep practicing writing your number words, and I'll see you next time.